All right, so Algorand just made a strong move, bouncing 5.99% to 0.28 cents. But is this start of a new trend reversal or just a temporary relief rally? Stick around as we break down some of the daily and the weekly charts to find out. All right, so let's head over to the daily time frame because this is quite interesting here, and definitely let me know what your thoughts are down below. So taking a look here, right on December 3rd, as we saw the peak of Algorand go up to 61 cents. Now this trend line here was treated as an area of resistance, consistently making a lot of higher lows. So we can see a lot of rejection from this level. Once the resistance was broken out on January 15th, this trend line was treated as an area of support. So we can see nice bounces, quick recovery level around this area of support until we saw a break below on February 2nd. Now, this is going to be treated as an area of resistance to support and now treated as an area of resistance. So we did see a nice rally here for ALGO in the last 24 hours. And I want to say this may be a make it or break it here for ALGO in terms of the long run. So we are seeing some bullish signs here. So this may be a good area where the price is going to break out here for Algorand. So if you guys just follow along here really quick, the RSI itself is around 39%, but is increasing. So we've seen that crossover from the RSI and our signal line triggering a buy signal here. So that's number one that we're seeing as a good sign. Number two is when we take a look at our momentum level, we see the MACD indicator here. Yes, these histograms are in the red. However, we're kind of taking a look at some kind of trend shift here as momentum is slowing down in terms of the sellers. Buyers may step in at a crucial area of support, and we may be able to see at least some green histograms in here, especially closer to an area of resistance. Another positive sign here is we're seeing a shift on our CMF indicator going up past 0%, so around 0.01. Now we are seeing some buy strength signal, which possibly may break through this area of resistance. Now just be cautious here as the price is approaching this area of resistance. We ideally want to keep this area of resistance turned now into support. So if we do see an immediate break, we do want to see a natural pullback. If we do see price kind of surge coming down to the 38% of our fib, or essentially the 3 cents, and treat this as an area of support. If we're able to see the support being confirmed, then price itself most likely will come up to the 36 cents. Now, quickly zooming out in terms of the weekly time frame, we do see some positivity in this downwards trend. So if we see this candlestick here, the previous weekly candlestick opening up to this week's candlestick, we're seeing buyers stepping in. We're more than 50% of the previous candlestick bottom. This could possibly be treated as a piercing bottom candlestick, which is a reversal of the candlestick alone. Now, just be very cautious going into this because we have this area as resistance, not only on the daily time frame of our trend line, but also our 20 moving average here. So again, this is going to be a make or break here for ALGO. If we're able to conquer the 3 cents and break above it, most likely we're going to come up to the 36 cents here. Now, quickly going to take out our Bollinger Bands and see if that is able to tell us in terms of any volatility here. We're just going to change this setting and here. So it does look like it is slowly going to, that it's kind of going horizontally here, the upper band and lower band. It is testing the middle band here itself. So if we do see an expansion of the upper and the lower band, and if we're able to close around the 3 cents, price is going to break out in an upwards trend. On the daily time frame here, again, we are seeing the Bollinger Bands kind of coming together, which may be concerning in this breakout. However, if again we see ALGO kind of break out that 3 cents, we're going to see an expansion of these Bollinger Bands, and we're going to see the price move fairly quickly here. This is kind of key. So if we're able to break that 3 cents, most likely price is going to come up to that 36 cents, depending on how the volume breaks out at this area of resistance. If we do see some selling pressure from the 38 cents, let's say we do break it, but we don't hold the 30 cents as an area of support, then most likely price is going to come back in this consolidation range. So we found consolidation around 29 cents as the high resistance, and then coming down to an area of support as low as 25. So we may consolidate before we see that immediate breakout, but if we're able to conquer that 30 cents, then be prepared for price to come up to the 36 cents if we're able to find the 30 cents as a given support. So that's kind of my underline. If we're able to find 30 cents as a support, not just break over 30 and then skyrocket to 36. So that's kind of what I'm seeing for Algorand. Let me know what you guys think down below, what your thoughts are. If we're going to break out in the next 24 hours, do you guys kind of see that? Or is it going to take the entire week to kind of see which dominant side it is, the buyers or the sellers, or the pressure from each other side? But let me know what you guys think. Like and subscribe as well, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.